Today we will be going over second grade lesson 8 worksheet. So number 1 says, which addition sentence best represents the picture below? So here we have 1, 2, 3 rows of trains, and then in each row there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we add 7 3 times, that is A. 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. Number 2, which of the following best describes the drawing below? So here we have 3 bundles of bananas, so 1, 2, 3. Each bundle has 5 bananas, and we can tell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. And if we have to add 5 3 times, it would be B. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Irene baked some cakes. She arranged them in 2 rows and 4 columns. How many cakes did she bake? So rows is horizontally and columns is vertically. So this right here is 1 row. This right here is 2 rows. So now we have 2 groups of cakes, and in each column or in each group we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 cakes in each row. So if you add 4 2 times, it would be A. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Page 2. Matthew arranged some beach balls into 2 rows and 3 columns. How many beach balls does he have altogether? So first we count how many rows there are. So there's 1, 2 rows of beach balls. So that's how many numbers we're going to be adding. Then we have to find out how many are in each row, which is 1, 2, 3. So now we have to add 3 2 times. So it's 3 plus 3 is 6, which is A. Number 2, which of the following drawings represents the addition problem? 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So first we have to count how many 4s there are. So 1, 2, 3. So since there's 3 4s here, we know that there's going to be 3 rows. And for column, we know that each row is going to have 4, so this is column. And answer here would be A. And that's just because there's 3 rows, so 1, 2, 3 rows, and then 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the following best represents the drawing below? Here, first count how many rows there are. So 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 rows. And then count how many columns there are. 1, 2, 3. So if we add 3 3 times, it would be B. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, page 3, number 1. Which addition sentence best represents the picture below? Again, first count how many rows there are. 1, 2, 3. So we know that there's 3 groups, and we're going to add these 3 times. And now we have to find which number we're going to add by. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. So if we were to add add 8 3 times, it would be D. 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 24. Number 2. Audrey was arranging pastries in a box. She placed them in 3 rows and 5 columns. How many pastries did she put in the box? So 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we were to add 5 3 times, it would be A. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Now, which of the following represents the addition problem below? So we know that there's 1, 2 6s, so there's going to be 2 rows. And we know that each one is 6, so 6 columns. Now I have to count and see which one has 2 rows and 6 columns. And by the look of it, I think it's B. So let's see. So 1, 2 rows. And then count how many columns there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, it is B. Last page says, look at the drawing below. Which answer best describes the drawing? Same thing, count how many rows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. And now count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we add 5 times. So it would be A, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25. Okay. Heather arranged her candies in 4 rows and 4 columns. Which answer below best describes how Heather arranged her candies? Now, without doing the rows and columns method, we know that 4 rows means we're going to add 4 times, or we're going to add the number 4 times, and we're going to add what number? We're going to add 4 because there's 4 columns. So it would be D, because there's each number is 4, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. Last question, which of the picture best describes the following problem below? So first, we know that we're adding 5, so there's going to be 5 columns, and there's 1, 2, 3 5s, so we're going to add 5, or there's going to be 3 rows of 5, and that is C. And that is all.